You know what? We got a little surprise for you.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey everybody, we wanted to talk to you for a little bit about something that happened at the Florida Carpet Championships in Cocoa, Florida last weekend. That was pretty awesome. We didn't get to show it much in our previous video because we wanted to really focus on the racing portion. But there's also just a lot of really good deeds that happen in the RC community that I think need to be talked about a little bit. So this is one of the better moments for Joey, I think, and his RC career. So what happened briefly?
Well, I'll just say, got me a free car. And, you know, right when we got home, I put it together, and it's looking pretty nice. I just got to put the motor and the ESC in, but got my PowerHD servo. So thank you to Sworkz and PowerHD for giving me this car. And thank you to Beachline.
Beachline RC, Raceway, and also Lefty at the No Name Podcast for running the show there for the giveaway. And yeah, we're gonna jump into the video, I think, and show everybody how it went down because it was actually really cool.
It was a fun, little exciting thing that happened, kind of random. But
yeah, and the joy in Joey's eyes, you'll be able to see it, I'm sure, that he was truly happy and jumping up and down kind of situation. So yeah, let's just start rolling the video.
Alrighty guys, if you are pitting outside in the tent and you have an orange Tekno, all orange Tekno, and an all orange associated, there's something waiting for you. You need to report to the tent.
All right, so it's Sunday here at the 2022 Florida Carpet Championships, and we have a surprise giveaway. We've got Dalton here, who's been super busy helping out everybody and having a blast with us. Dalton, tell us a little bit about these prizes.
So thanks to our sponsors from Associated, Reedy, and Clinic, we are able to give away a brand new charger, brand new leads, and a brand new charge bag to somebody that needs it more. So me and Ivar took a look around the pits, and we found a person that looks like he needs a little better of a charger, so we are going to wait for him to come to his pit and surprise him with these gifts. We did some looking around to see who do you think we needs a new four-wheel, and so thanks to Sworkz, we have a brand new Sworkz four-wheel drive for them, so we'll wait for them to get back to their pit and surprise them.
Yeah, these guys don't have a clue what's going on. We're trying to get them to their pits. I wanted to announce that, like, maybe he had a lipo fire or something so they could come running out here. But we got a pretty cool surprise for them. So we're just waiting for them to come to their pits, and then we're going to surprise them with a brand new kit and a brand new charger, lead, and bag. That's awesome. Who came up with this idea?
I think it was actually Daniel Chavez. We had a couple more better gifts left over, and we think that we should look around and see who needs them more. And with the people we found, we definitely think that they should have it. I think it will up their racing hobby. So hopefully they enjoy it and have fun with it.
Yeah, they've given away a plethora of gifts here. The Indy class, I think we've given away now 3 Schumachers. Hooligan cars from Team Associated, everything, man. It's we've even given away a B74.
B74, we thanks to PowerHD, we gave away some brand new servos with every single kit. So all of the lower mains in Indy will get a brand new kit along with a brand new PowerHD servo since they won the class. So hopefully it makes them a little happier, and hopefully they enjoy it.
All right, let's wait for these guys to come out. We're going to surprise them. Let's go find them. This way better?
No. You go that way. I'm going to be back there. Yeah.
Okay. You recording? All right, let's go find the owner of this orange Tekno and surprise him. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, there he is. Let's go this way.
Go that way.
All right, I'll go this way. Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
Ooh, sorry about that. How's it
What's up, dude? How you doing? What's your name?
My name's Joey Lawrence.
Where you from?
I'm from Idaho. Yeah.
All the way from Idaho over here.
Well, we moved here from Idaho. We're from Newport Richie. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So,
What four-wheel drive are you running?
Tekno EB410.2. So, I think I'm the only one here.
I think so. You having fun here at FCC?
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun. This car's been great. I'm surprised with it. It's a little heavy, apparently, but this is my first car I've ever had. So, I was like, whatever. Got a B6.4. Just built it like 3 months ago, but yeah, this thing's been a champ for me. It's been my first car I've ever raced, so yeah.
You know what? We got a little surprise for you. So Dalton here went around and found out we just gave a charger to this guy over here, and he was looking for a guy that probably needed a four-wheel drive, a more up-to-date four-wheel drive. So here you go, man. Congratulations.
And brand new servo from PowerHD.
Wow, I don't know. I don't know what just happened, but I guess I have a new car now.
You have a new car and a new servo.
I don't know what to say.
Congratulations, man.
So much. Wow.
Thank Dalton. And thank Sworkz and PowerHD because they sent it.
Thank you, Sworkz. Oh my God. PowerHD, thank you very much. I just got a four-wheel drive, I guess. I'm going to have to go tell my dad because I thought I wasn't going to get anything today. I was in the E main, I'm in a C main in my four-wheel, so I'm losing oxygen right now.
Well, congratulations, man. You're the owner of a new Sworkz kit. Wow. And we want to keep you racing, so keep on racing and doing well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And he was like, what car are you racing? I said, oh, it's a Tekno EB410.2. And he was like, wow, man. I was like, I think I'm the only one here. And he was like, man, that's cool. And I don't even know what happened. I'm like dizzy right now. I was just like, and then I see another guy walk up next to me and he's holding a box. And I'm just like, okay, just wait for him to say it. And then he was like, yeah, we were like, we're looking at your car. And we were like, man, I think this kid needs a new car. So we decided to give a new car and a new servo.
What?
And I was telling him, like, dude, I am losing my breath right now.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, and they had a camera, they had a microphone, and after it, we shook hands and stuff. And the guy with the camera, he says, that was a really good interview, dude.
What is it? What's the car?
That's awesome, Joey.
I don't even know yet. It's a Sworkz.
Awesome.
1/10 four-wheel drive off-road racing buggy, a 14-3.
Like, they just walked up to me with this kit, and
They were just looking for somebody to give it to, man.
and they saw because when I walked in there to go get my water at one point, I saw one of the guys that worked at, Beachline. He was like touching my car, and I was like, nah, whatever. I'm just gonna walk away, because they were kind of standing in front of my pit talking to Chad Smith,
Yeah.
right? And then, I guess they just decided to give me a new four-wheel drive buggy.
Holy.
And I told them I'm in the E main and the C main, so I didn't think I was gonna be getting anything today.
Yeah.
And then they walk up with this Sworkz four-wheel, and I'm like, what? So, I have another car. Wait, this could be a mod buggy.
Could be.
It could be a four-wheel mod buggy.
That's awesome, Joey.
But, there you go. And I was like, I gotta go get my dad right now, because he's gonna freak out.
What the heck, man?
Should have been there. They'll probably talk to me about it. But
That's sweet.
So, I bet you'll probably see me on the live RC stream.
That's sweet.
That was so cool, dude. Oh my God.
All right, but let's take a walk around. We're going to talk to some of the people here and see how they're enjoying the Florida Carpet Championships. Let's go this way. We haven't been this way yet. Let's take a walk around here. Here's the winner of this gentleman won a car earlier.
Hello.
What did your dad think?
He was kind of confused. He didn't know what to say. Yeah.
He came walking up with his stuff, and I'm thinking, what do you? Maybe he got some decals or some stickers. I don't know. And then he's almost crying. He's like, well, there's something good in the box. So yeah, he just was telling me, you guys just came up and granted him one of his biggest wishes. So he's just been like floating around here ever since. So it's been awesome.
Sweet. Well, congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
Okay, let's take a walk around here.